Master of Business Administration is a popular and rewarding postgraduate program to access top career options. An attractive salary package, opportunities for practical knowledge, and bright career options are some of the top reasons to pursue an MBA abroad. Best countries for MBA abroad: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, France, Singapore. Top international MBA courses: General Management, International Management, Human Resource Management, Marketing, Business Analytics, Supply Chain Management, Business Analytics, Finance Leadership, IT or Technology Management. Eligibility for MBA Overseas: a bachelor's degree in a relevant field, a minimum GPA of 2.0 to 3.0,
GMAT or GRE,
English proficiency proof, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, Duolingo, etc. A resume. Letter of recommendation, minimum 1 to 2, as demanded by the University of Application. Academic transcripts. A personal essay. Country. Average MBA tuition fee: United States, $30,000 to $120,000 USD, United Kingdom, $35,000 to $125,000 USD, Canada, $17,000 to $37,000 USD, France, $33,000 to $108,500 USD, Australia, $33,000 to $53,500 USD, Singapore, $16,000 to $68,000 USD. Promising career opportunities for international MBA graduates. Job title: average yearly salary in the US. Business consultant, $101,250 General Manager, $61,500 Project Manager, $100,000 Financial Analyst, $85,500 Healthcare Administrator, $90,000 IT Manager, $95,200 Supply Chain Manager, $87,000 Management Analyst, $77,200 Risk Manager, $130,000 HR Manager, $100,500. Nomad Credit assists you to get started. Expert counselors in our team evaluate your profile and offer personalized suggestions in admissions, education loan application, student visa, and so on. Like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad updates.